This is your multi-tool guy here, and today we're going to do a review on the Leatherman Rev. One of the more cheaper multi-tools out there in the market, but it's good quality. So the tools on the outside are plain simple knife. Pretty simple, this is a knife. That is the only tool on the outside. So on the inside we have can opener, bottle opener, pretty basic. Package opener, wood file and ruler if I can get it out without everything else coming out. Got a wood file there and a 5cm ruler and 1" ruler. On the other side we have a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead. On the pliers we have needle nose pliers, average pliers, wire cutters, wire strippers in the middle there, just below my finger. Don't know if you can see it, but yeah. We do with a pocket clip. You can take it off, but it'll be pretty hard because of the industrial Loctite in there. You have to use a heat gun and get it hot enough so it will come loose. Apart from that, that's the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more like this. Multi-tool guy out.